I tried creating a live action movie scene of Zoro from One Piece, and this is how it came out.
What happened here? Nothing. At all.
So let's go ahead and see how you can actually create this within minutes. So don't just watch AI videos that others create. Now you can go ahead and create it on your own very easily. Let's jump into it. So one thing I dislike about most AI tools is that you have to create the correct prompt, you have to modify the prompt, and even then it's quite difficult to get what you exactly want. So this is where Hixfield AI comes in. You can just go to apps, click on apps, and you'll find multiple apps where you can just drag and drop your image and get the output you require. Here you'll see a lot of things like game dump, behind the scene, sim life, nano theft, nano strike, the trending ones like micro beasts, 3D figure, and so on, for which you don't need to write any prompt. You can just upload your image or video and get the required output. So let's say I want this. Okay, the first one, this actually looked quite cool to me, so I can just upload my photo and get it from different angles. Or I think this one is trending right now, transitions, where you can create seamless transitions. Let's try this one because this looks really cool. I might actually post it on my Instagram. So just click on try now and you can just upload your photo. So I'll choose this one. Just click on I agree. And I think this is one of the most iconic movie scenes, all right? So let's say I want this scene from where I can see the boat, but I don't think the AI will recognize the boat because there's no way you can tell this is a boat without previous information. This is the center, and instead of moving this, you can also choose this. You can zoom in and so on. Okay, it will give you options of what you want to modify. You want to modify left side, or do you want to modify the right side, or the top, or the bottom? So I'll just click on reset and I'll just click on generate for free. And let's see this scene in all the different angles. Also, within a few seconds, the image is generated. This is from top view. If you want to generate from the right side, click on the right one and click on generate for free. Or if you want to generate from all angles in one go, you can just click here, generate from all angles, and click on generate, and it will generate from all angles. So this is from the right side where you can actually see the face, and now you can actually tell this is a boat. So I'm quite surprised because the AI had no context that this was a boat. It could be anything else, but it did really good. So this is pretty cool. If you want to generate from all angles, you can just click on generate from all angles and click on generate image. So you can actually go beyond the movie and create your own scenes. As you can see, we have different angles for all the scenes and the character consistency is perfectly preserved. And this is, to be honest, in fact, quite amazing. All right, finally, now let's create the live action One Piece movie scene that I had shown you in the beginning. All right, first what I'll do is I'll create an image from the One Piece still, which I'll convert to a video. Okay, first I'm creating to an image because I want the image to have the actor Chris Evans, right? So hover over image here and click on create image. Okay, by default, you will see all the previous images that you had generated. Now, to be honest, it's quite difficult to tell which one is real and which one is AI generated. Every image looks so good. All right, now just click on this plus button to add an image. I already have the still of Zoro. Select this one and let's write a prompt to convert this to a real life action movie with Chris Evans. So I just give it a prompt, convert this anime still to a real life movie scene. The face should be of Chris Evans. The final image should be completely realistic and HD and should look like a still from an action movie. Not a very difficult prompt. Just click on generate and we will convert this scene to a real scene and then we will convert that to a video. Alright, within a few seconds our image is generated, which to be honest looks quite real and looks quite good. So he actually looks like Zoro, and what you can do is you can now convert this to a video by just clicking video here. Okay, and the image will be moved here. You will be able to choose a lot of models here. You don't have to go to the specific provider. You can choose any one of these models from here. I choose Google View for generating voice with video because Google View, Sora, Kling, and even Van supports sound these days, but I've noticed these two are good for cinematic scenes. So I'll just choose Google View 3.1 and let's write our prompt. So I just give it the prompt that says create a climatic scene post a great battle, or let's just convert this to after a great battle. And the man says with pain and stutter, what happened here? Nothing at all. Again, quite simple, not much to do here, and let's just click on generate. I think since there's blood in the picture, it's saying sensitive content. So what you can do is you can retry on WAN 2.5 because WAN 2.5 is quite uncensored, so it can say anything or show anything. All right, so let's switch to WAN 2.5 and let's switch to 2.6 because this is the latest and newer one, and click on generate. Okay, so the video is generated, but a bit of problem here. I was confused. Why is this not looking like Chris Evans? Because I forgot to put the image here. Okay, so again, let's check it out anyways, and then we will create again with the
What
picture.
happened here? Nothing. At all.
So this is again very good. So now let's change this to Chris Evans. Let's click on Asset Library, click on the image that we had just created, and click on video. Now go to model, and this time click on WAN 2.5 because 2.6 does not support images, and just paste our prompt here and let it do the magic. Okay, so in a minute or so the video is generated. Let's see how it is. Let's click on play.
What happened here? Nothing. At all.
And it is actually quite good, and this guy looks pretty good, and you can play around and in fact create your whole movie. So you don't need any director or anything else. You can create your whole live action movie from one piece. And of course there's a lot of other things like different features, character swap, face swap, image upscale, and so on. So you can go to Higgsfield AI. Now actually it's a pretty good time to actually go here and play around because they are offering you a limited time discount. So go to the website and check if the discount is still available. So don't just watch AI videos, go ahead and create it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.